Hello, welcome to Tech Sharma. In this session, we will learn about one more built-in function, that is square root built-in function. So here I have created one program. So let's go through the program. As usual, we are again writing the code in the fully free format. So for that, I have put star star free here. So after this line number 6, whatever I will write, it is considered as a fully free format. Okay, and below to that on line number 10 I am declaring the control option, which is mainly for the debugging purpose. So here I'm setting two options, star no debug io and src stmt. Below to that we have declared two variables that we will use for the demonstration of sqrt function or square root function. Okay, so my first variable is number one, which is of numeric type of size 2, and second variable is result, which is also a numeric type of size 2. Okay, below to that the main logic is started. Here what we are doing, we are just storing some values to the number one variable. So I'm storing 64, which is a numeric value, and I have assigned this to number one variable, and after that we are just displaying it. Okay, so on line number 21 we are just displaying the number one to the user. So here the syntax I have written for the sqrt function. So what is a sqrt function? As its name, like it is used to find the square root of any numeric expression. So syntax is also very simple. Like you just need to write percentage sqrt, and inside the parenthesis you have to write numeric expression. So whatever the numeric expression or numeric value is there, it will find out the square root of that. Okay, so here on line number 27, I'm using this. So I'm using this sqrt function to find out the square root of the number or digit which is stored in number one variable. So right now it is containing 64. So what it will do, it will calculate the square root of that and store it into result variable. And below to that, we are just displaying the result variable to the user. And on line number 35, we are setting star inlr equals to star on. It means the program will be ended here. So I'm now compiling it. So once it is compiled by option 14, now we can call it. So I'm calling it. So firstly, it is showing me the value that we have assigned to number one variable. So the value is 64. If I hit enter again, so it will show the exact square root of this variable or value. So this is correct. Like square root of 64 is 8. So we got the correct output. So similarly, you can check for the other values also. You just need to change the value here in number one, and then you can find out the square root of that number. Okay, so this function is mainly used for the mathematical operation. Like suppose if you are working with the banking domain or the insurance domains, and there is some need where you need to calculate the square root of any value or digit. In that case, you can use this percentage sqrt built-in function. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechShare.